shrimp.
Oh, shrimp. Yeah.
Pwede.
Pwede kainin?
Oo. Yeah. Pinapatry niya naman lahat. Kami rin kahapon. Pag pwede naman, pwede. Pag hindi naman.
Yan yung Ben, pizza.
Oo. Hindi pa yan tapos eh.
Ben yan ang ginawa, gagawin.
Oo. Ang kinain namin kahapon, pasta.
Half only, half.
What do you like?
Ah, okay.
Okonomiyaki means as you like. Topping as you like. Only that.
Intindihan mo? As you like. Kung ano.
Okay nga ako, pangkait ko nga po. Gusto ko.
Okonomi means as you like.
Economy means as you like. Kung gusto mo.
Ah, as you like.
And yaki.
Then after that, what is that? Cabbage. Tagalog repolyo.
Oreo.
Yeah, very good. Ano ba? Mukhang hindi kayo makain.
Tama, masarap naman yan. By flavor yan
Is it
man.
delicious, sir?
Sure, delicious.
So
Very
delicious.
Ready?
Very okay.
As you like. As you like also.
On her color. Only coating. Only coating.
Wala
na, Noy.
Pabili lang yun siya ng ano. Kailangan pala meron tong ano eh, oh. Para nawiwili sa paggawa. Baka may kausap siya. After that, babe, massage you later.
Okay.
Nakikitips na rin ah.
No, bebang.
Like that.
Ay, ganyan lang.
How many minutes?
Soon.
Soon? Ah, matagal.
Baby, play ito to, ma.
Sunog na po. Sasabot na
You need
tayo.
cheese, babe.